Hi, hola, bonjour, and Salaam. Welcome to Blueprint Bazaar. In part 14 of our plastic shredder machine full assembly series, we shift our focus to refining the visual organization of the model by changing the appearance of several core components: the frame, mountings, side plates, and spacers. This step helps us distinguish between different mechanical roles while preparing the assembly for clearer communication, presentations, and documentation. We begin by adjusting the color of the frame to a dark, neutral tone that reflects its solid, structural function. Next, we modify the appearance of the mountings, giving them a distinct finish that separates them from both the frame and the moving components. The side plates, housing critical fixed blade placements, are updated to a contrasting tone for clearer visual separation from both internal mechanisms and the base frame. Lastly, we assign a lighter metallic or flat shade to the spacers, helping differentiate them from the blades they support. These appearance changes don't just make the model look polished. They serve a functional purpose by making each element's role in the system instantly clear. Whether you're reviewing or sharing the design, this visual clarity is key. Stick around. Next up, we'll move into motion simulation and clearance checking. Please keep supporting us as we dive deeper into mechanical design and development. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a step on this engineering journey with Blueprint Bazaar.